Hi Jack, today we're here at CES with Coral Robot. It's a cleaning robot you can actually use as a regular vacuum.
So this is the Coral 1, our first robot that we've ever made. It's a vacuum robot and handheld in one. What's unique about this smart vacuum robot is aside from it being well designed to clean your home on its own every day, you can press this button and it pulls out a handheld. Then you can attach it to this cyclonic dustbuster and it turns into a powerful handheld cyclonic dustbuster that you can use to clean, sofas, couches, curtains. One of the biggest pain points of owning a robot vacuum or any vacuum is the battery power. So in terms of power management, we use a lot of software and smart batteries. Anytime it's out of power, it will have enough power left over to find the dock and then let it charge. So we wanted to design a solution that was really simple and easy to use. You can do all your mapping internally, so you don't need a camera and it can still navigate your space at home. Our first vacuum robot, the Coral 1, is not Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connected, so it's completely running by itself. So it's not connected to Alexa or Google Home or Siri, but our hope is that because it's such a simplistic design and that automatic cleaning is already built into the dock, that you won't need to use any automated home system.